How to use the rulers and guides in Photoshop. I've opened a new document. Go to the main menu and click on View. Scroll about halfway down, and what we want to click on is Rulers. That's all you have to do. To grab a guide, you use your Move tool and you go to the edge of the ruler and just pull it down to where you want it to be. I'm setting up this document with a 1/4 inch margin all the way around. As I slide the guides, what you can see is a measurement popping up, really tiny, of the numbers of where I am on my ruler. It doesn't show up as fractions, it shows up as decimals. And as you can see, if you accidentally place a guide in the wrong location, you can go back and move it. One thing that's kind of frustrating when you're first using guides and rulers is by default, Photoshop has it set at snap or snap to guide, snap to grid. When you're designing things, this can get very frustrating very fast because it doesn't allow you to move things where you want them to be. So all you have to do is turn off the snap feature on the rulers and guides and grids. Photoshop has many other guides and ruler, such as a grid, like grid paper you would use in math. You can turn that on. You can also use default columns that you can set up. You can change the width, height, and how many that show up, and it does all the math for you. It's quite beautiful. So that's the basics on rulers and guides. Thanks for watching.